What's up, guys? I'm a new creator.
Yay!
And this is my friend, aka cousin named Riley. And he's gonna be helping me in a lot of my videos. And yeah, so this is my new channel. My other channel, I actually got banned for underage. I'll pop it up right now. Okay, there you go. And yeah, so that really sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. So I'm restarting, and I'm gonna make this channel bigger and better for you guys. And yeah, that's all I gotta tell you. And make sure to like and subscribe, and subscribe to support a small content creator now, I guess. Bye, everyone. See you next time.